Now let's address the other challenge. How can we ascertain individuals' preferences on the order-freedom conflict and the equality-freedom conflict? Unfortunately, no instruments have been developed to precisely measure political preferences. We cannot wire electrodes to a person's body to measure galvanic skin response and determine a person's political preferences. The best we can do is to ask them. However, asking a person which she or he prefers, order or freedom, or equality or freedom, is problematic. The subject may lie, or may not have an adequate understanding of the alternatives presented, or may have an inaccurate perception of his or her own views. These problems plague social science research, since so much of it is based on survey instruments. However, we may be able to infer a person's preferences on the broad issues of order versus freedom and equality versus freedom by asking them their preferences on particular issues that pose order-freedom conflicts and equality-freedom conflicts. Consider a few issues from a 36-item survey administered several years ago to Temple College students. One half of the issues presented on the survey involved order-freedom conflicts, and the other half involved equality-freedom conflicts. For each issue, survey respondents were asked to indicate their response to each statement, ranging from adamantly agree to adamantly disagree. Survey respondents did not see the numbers assigned to each response. Issue 1 presents the order-freedom conflict. It is a classic illustration. A person who agrees with the statement is expressing a preference for increased government authority. A person who strongly agrees is expressing an even stronger preference for order, while a person who adamantly agrees is expressing a yet stronger preference for order. On the other hand, a person who disagrees with the statement is, in effect, expressing a preference for individual freedom over order, or diminished government authority. Similarly, the strongly disagree and the adamantly disagree responses suggest greater preferences for freedom. The indifference, no opinion position indicates that the respondent has no clear preference for order or freedom and is satisfied with the current level of government effort.